Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can customize themes and background, change your email layout, and configure quick launch icons in HMailPlus webmail. To customize themes and backgrounds, click the gear icon in the top right, then go to Themes. Click View More to explore all the options. Choose your accent colors, backgrounds, or images. Then click Apply. You can also enable Auto Dark Mode by ticking the box at the bottom of the window. Now, let's change your email layout. Click the gear icon, then scroll to Layout. You can choose between a vertical, horizontal, or list view. Select the layout you are comfortable with, and that's it. To configure quick launch icons, right-click the launch bar. The icons you'd like for each position, then click Save Changes. And you are done. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for much more on HMailPlus.